At cycle specialist, getting ready to get to work. It's a nice old piece here. We're almost finished. Bradley's nice old top fuel bike. Spiderman, McBride's Star. Still a lot of work to that. Getting it back together. Some more little secrets, I guess. Anyway, we're gonna get around here. We heard little Richard ain't gonna have a pro street bike to race. This next coming up XDA, but what you see here, the old Willie Nichols top sportsman motorcycle that little Richard's ride. We got the motor back in. I still got a lot of stuff to do. I'm getting ready to pull the clutch out of it just to make sure. I think it's okay, but just to make sure that it's ready to go and got fresh clutches in it. We've done a few things to it in the past couple of weeks. This thing is a mess, man. It's all kind of stuff. Hey, look at that, HTP performance. But it ain't a lot to this motorcycle, man. It's a lot of stock stuff, a lot of good stuff on it. A lot of crazy demi parts. Demi got stuff everywhere on this thing. And I'm getting ready to get to work. Just put the water back in it. I'm getting ready to crank it up to circulate the water in it good. Left my key at home, so that's gonna be a problem. Well, in a minute, and see what happens. Hopefully everything's okay. She's ready for the XDA. I had to have that guy right there help me get this motor in there. He's camera shy. But that is the man there, Steve McBride. And like I say, waiting on this guy right here. We're gonna crank this bad boy up and see what it's doing. But we can get him off that phone. Oh yeah, he's the man. Of course, everybody knows as the looks where I'm at, Larry Spiderman McBride shop. We're doing a little work. We got up a little time where we could work on somebody else's motorcycle to get it ready for the XDA. And we get to that short. I'm taking with the guy in this picture. Y'all know where we at. You know, home of cycle specialist, Larry Spiderman McBride, and it's the home of this Hayabusa of Willie Nichols, rider Richard Gadson. Hopefully this thing gonna crank up. Larry didn't want to crank it up before we took this video, but I said, okay, don't make a fool of yourself on the video. So he gonna wait until we crank it up.
Well, we're getting ready to see if this thing will run, Willie. We don't know if it's gonna run yet, but we got the motor back in it. We're fixing to find out right now, try to get this thing ready for the XDA race, which is the 18th through the 19th through the 21st of this month up in at the XDA up in Maryland. So Richard Gadson's gonna be riding it. So I got my fingers crossed this thing's gonna run. So I think we got everything hooked up. So let's see if this old Hayabusa will run. Man, we got lucky on this one. But, you know, there's a lot of people out here we need to think about helping on this bike. Worldwide Bearings Dave, I tell you, he's done an awesome job for you, Willie. We really appreciate you helping. DME, awesome pipe, done a great job. And we'd like to thank Lester Jenkins up in Richmond. Lester actually had to do the top end on this thing. I've been so busy building these top fuel bikes, I hadn't had time. So Lester stepped in and helped us, and we'd like to say a shout out to Cecil. He's done a great job too. So everybody's involved in this motorcycle. We appreciate all y'all's help, and see y'all at the XDA race. Have a great day.
Thank you so much, Motorcycle World, for following along. Thank you for subscribing to Cycle Drag on YouTube and liking CycleDrag.com on Facebook. You get to share in the knowledge of Larry Spiderman McBride, Nitro Harley Racer, Michael B. Land. It's a lot of fun what we're doing here, isn't it?
It is. Absolutely have a great time, and to be toured through the sun in office here and all the machines has been absolutely fantastic. Best part about it, the pay is great. The pay's great. Jack's going to give us a check.
It's coming from you. Thanks for watching CycleDrag.com.